Hi guys, bonjour, bonsoir, welcome back for another video. So in this video I show you guys how I got the beads on my locks. I posted a TikTok with this and you guys wanted to see how I did it. I did record some snippets to show you guys how it's very simple. So this is my hair. Oh, by the way, I reattached my locks like for the umpteenth time. So this is what it looks like right now, and I usually don't retwist my hair a lot like usual, as you guys remember from my previous videos. So my friend is having a birthday thingy and I'm going to it, so I'm gonna do something to my hair. My hair is already washed. I usually wash my hair and just leave it alone. I don't really retwist unless I'm doing a style or something like that. So pretty much what I'm doing first before I get into the retwisting and styling, I'm going to be doing that simultaneously, but I'm going to separate the front of my hair first 2 by 2 because those are going to be my last 2 strand twists that I do. So I'm separating that and getting out of the way and getting my hair ready and sectioned out for the style that I'm going to do. And with the front fully separated from the back, I'm going to go into the back and start retwisting and 2-strand twisting. And please don't get used to these locks being in my head, guys. I'm probably going to start a new journey very soon. Stay tuned for that. But I had a lot of fun with them while I have them in. So I start from the back as usual. Like I said, I don't retwist a lot, so look at that. Those parts back there, they're terrible. But I'm gonna clean it up with my comb. I sprayed my rose water and I'm putting my oil elixir. It is the same one I used in the previous video. This was like the prototype when I was formulating it. So that's pretty much what that is. Those oils will be available next year to purchase. So once I do my oil and then my rose water, now I'm going to go and I'm going to retwist. You guys know from previous videos I don't really use gel on my hair. I don't feel the need to use gel on my hair, so I don't. But I pretty much retwist clockwise and I wrap the little loose hairs around, and then I'm going to loop method retwist because I'm just going to do a 2-strand twist. I'm not doing anything serious really. Plus as you guys remember, my hair is really fine, so it's not hard for it to hold a retwist, or I don't need much product to achieve whatever it is I'm looking to achieve. So once I clean up my parts and I do my little loop method retwist, I'm gonna go in and 2-strand twist all the way down, but I'm gonna be mindful to keep one lock longer than the other. The way I do this is while I'm 2-strand twisting, I overextend one lock compared to the other, if that makes sense. So while I'm twisting, one lock is being exaggeratedly twisted around the other so I can make one appear longer than the other. I do this with clients that have uneven locks too, to make them even, but the reverse of what I'm doing right now. So like I said, I'm 2-strand twisting and you're gonna see me over exaggerate one lock. You see there, they're even. Now I'm gonna take one, the thicker one preferably because I want to put beads in. I'm like over twisting it to where, okay, this is a better shot. I'm over twisting it to where one ends up longer. And if it's not as long as I want it to be, I'm gonna kind of pull it up, kind of shrink it up. Just like here, I shrunk it up some more, and I'm gonna use a rubber band to secure it. Once it is secure, I'm going to start adding my beads. I got some gold, but not really gold, they're like glitter beads. I found them on Amazon. I'm gonna try and put it in my store so you guys can find it if you want it. But I got them from Amazon. They're just the bigger diameter holes, and I just fill it up until I can't fill it up anymore. And when I get to the end, I get to the last bead, I just fold the hair and put a rubber band in to secure it, just like you would do regular beads on braids. And that is literally it. This style is super easy. It's really fun looking, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this style was so annoying to me because when I was a little girl, I did not like beads because I hated all the clack, clack, clacking. And the style was so cute in my head. And then when I did it, I was like, oh my gosh, all this clacking. It was so pretty, but I took it out, I believe, within a handful of days. I took it out. So I pretty much did the same thing throughout my whole head. 2-strand twist, left one part longer than the other, left one lock longer than the other, and added beads to it, and that's it. So I had fun doing something different and happy I took some clips to share with you guys. Thank you guys again for watching. See you in the next video. Remember, no break November, a video every day in November. Bye guys.